Hey guys, you remember that my garage lighting's really poor? Well, guess what? Ta-da! We got better lighting now, because I've finally replaced the bulb up there with something LED, so I can actually see stuff. Alright, I gotta open the garage door. A more natural one. So, I'm finally doing it. I'm chopping off the quarter panel. I've tried to push it out with that, and I've tried to make it like kinda the way it was before. This back here, it's impossible. So I'm gonna have to browse some junkyards. I probably have to end up ordering a panel from this from a junkyard online, which sucks, but that's okay. So first I'm gonna try to pull this more up, because I'm gonna use my reciprocating saw to saw this whole thing off. Check this out. This is pretty cool. Look at that. It's a piece of a quarter panel. I mean, I could put it back if I want to, but what's the point? Anyway, we're gonna take this taillight out again, because there's no point to have it in there. At least for now, because a little bit of that is still smashed in. You can kind of see this is the area, kind of the problem area back there. Okay, alright, so it's the next day from when I just recorded that clip. Pretty much, I'll just give you a quick overview of what's been done. We've cut the quarter panel. Not the full thing, but some bits and pieces of it. We will eventually cut the full thing, but I need to learn how to... You're right. Jeez. Eventually we're going to need to grind down all the spot welds in order to take the panel cleanly off. Should be okay when the time comes, though. I do need to weld in a new piece done. I'm looking into either buying a welder or getting someone to weld it, but I don't know who, because I don't know if stick welding is gonna work here. I think I need to do MIG, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We're not ready to weld it yet because I don't have a quarter panel. I don't know when I can get a quarter panel or where I'm gonna get a quarter panel from. Let me show you something I've done with the Subaru. I've installed a little metal piece in the middle, kind of to hide the exposed wires there. It's not a very good piece of metal. It's pretty wrinkly and stuff, but I was just kind of messing around with it to see how I should or can install it, because this is currently just held in by two screws held on either side, which used to hold in the radio and now it doesn't. So I was trying to see that. This sheet metal is a little bit too thin, so I feel like I need to mount, if I want a more clean look, I need to line it up around the perimeter of this little cutout here, because I think laying it on top isn't going to look good, but I think this is a bit too far back. So yeah, well, I'm just going to experiment a little bit with this and we'll see how it turns out. Also, I think you guys might be excited about this because I've seen a bunch of comments saying we want videos on the Corolla. Next video is a video about the Corolla, because we are going to be installing window tint on that car, and that should be fun. I'll give you more details in that actual video though, but just so you know, we're installing window tint. It's going to be my first time ever doing window tint on a car, so I don't really know how it's going to go. It could either go pretty decent or it could go really bad. I don't know which is going to be, but either way, it'll be fun to learn how to get window tint on. Maybe it'll turn out good. Who knows? One thing I am going to do right now, though, is put this wheel back on. So in case I need to move it, because it's movable. It's just you can't drive it on the street, but it's movable. Yeah, we're just going to remount the wheel, put it on the ground, just so the car's just sitting on its wheels instead of on this little scissor jack here. So anyway, I know it was a short video, but you know, this is how it goes now, because I don't have all the time in the world to work on the car. Otherwise, it'd probably be done by now, actually. If I could just work on it non-stop all day, then I probably would have been done like a month ago, really. Next video, we're installing window tint on the Corolla. Hopefully, it'll go smoothly. I'm still waiting on another roll of tint film. That's what it's called. To be delivered to my house. It should be here tomorrow. I think they said tomorrow. I've already got one roll, but it's not big enough for the rear window there, so I've got another roll for the rear window. So hopefully that arrives on time. That's it from me. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to go ahead, leave a like, subscribe, comment below. This isn't as eventful as my videos normally are, but sometimes videos like this just happen. But I'm still gonna put it out there because it is part of the process. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.